Stock market for beginners. In this video we have an exciting topic to discuss, stock market for beginners. If you've ever been curious about investing in the stock market but don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a college student, young professional, or just someone eager to grow your wealth, understanding the basics of the stock market is essential. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. What is the stock market? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the stock market? Well, the stock market is a platform where investors can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you own a share, you essentially own a small piece of that company. The stock market is a place where investors and traders come together to exchange ownership in various companies. Segment 2. Why invest in the stock market? You might be wondering, why should I invest in the stock market? Great question. Investing in the stock market has the potential to offer much higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. Over the long term, the stock market tends to outperform other investment options. However, it's important to note that investing in stocks also comes with risks, and the value of your investments can go up and down. Segment 3. Key concepts for beginners. Now, let's cover some fundamental concepts every beginner should know before diving into the stock market. 1. Stocks and shares. Stocks and shares are often used interchangeably. Owning a stock means you have ownership in a company, and each ownership unit is called a share. 2. Stock exchanges. Stock exchanges are where stocks are bought and sold. Examples include the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ. 3. Bull and bear markets. A bull market is characterized by rising stock prices, while a bear market is marked by falling stock prices. 4. Diversification. Diversifying your portfolio means spreading your investments across different stocks and industries, reducing risk. 5. Market indexes. Market indexes, like the S&P 500, track the performance of a specific group of stocks, giving you an idea of the overall market's health. Segment 4. How to get started. Getting started in the stock market is easier than you might think. Here are the steps to kickstart your investing journey. 1. Set clear goals. Determine your financial objectives and time horizon for investing. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment, or a dream vacation? 2. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Learn as much as you can about the stock market, different investment strategies, and individual companies you're interested in. 3. Create a budget. Before investing, make sure you have your finances in order. Create a budget and set aside money specifically for investing. 4. Choose a brokerage. To buy and sell stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. Look for one that offers low fees, a user-friendly interface, and the features you need. 5. Start small. Begin with a small amount you're comfortable with and gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence. Segment 5. Common mistakes to avoid. As a beginner, it's crucial to be aware of common mistakes that could derail your investment journey. 1. Emotional trading. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions like fear or greed. 2. Lack of research. Don't invest in a company just because it's trendy. Do your research and understand the company's fundamentals. 3. Overlooking fees. Keep an eye on brokerage fees, as they can eat into your returns over time. 4. Chasing quick profits. Be patient and focus on long-term growth rather than trying to get rich quickly. Conclusion. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of the stock market for beginners. Remember, investing in stocks requires time, patience, and discipline. stay informed, stay focused, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial experts. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.